Once upon a time, deep in the forest, lived two best friends, Nick the deer and Jumbo the elephant. They cared for each other deeply. "Nick, you are my true friend," Jumbo would often say. "And so are you, Jumbo," Nick replied. Their bond grew stronger every single day. One afternoon, as they rested near a pond, Nick opened his eyes and noticed a monkey leaning dangerously close to the water. Fearing the monkey would fall in, Nick rushed over and pushed him back. The monkey tumbled onto the ground. "Hey, why did you push me?" he shouted. "You were about to fall in," Nick said. "No, I wasn't. I was just talking to my friend in the pond." "Your friend?" Nick asked, confused. The monkey pointed at his reflection in the water. "See? That's my friend. I'm new in this jungle. Since I had no one, I befriended my own reflection. My name is Chimpo." Nick laughed at the silly idea but introduced him to Jumbo anyway. Soon, Nick and Chimpo started spending more time together. The hours Nick once spent playing with Jumbo were now filled with Chimpo's company. One day, Jumbo finally asked, "Nick, why don't you play with me anymore?" "Because Chimpo is my true friend," Nick replied. "From now on, I'll only play with him." Jumbo's heart sank. Hurt and disappointed, he quietly walked away. Days later, Nick and Chimpo were playing in the forest when they suddenly heard a terrifying roar. A fierce lion was charging straight toward them. Nick trembled with fear. "What are we going to do, my friend?" he cried. "I can climb a tree," Chimpo said. "The lion won't reach me, but you're on your own." "What? Please don't leave me," begged Nick. But without hesitation, Chimpo scrambled up the tree, abandoning him. The lion growled, "No one can save you now," and leapt forward. Just then, Jumbo appeared from behind the trees. He stepped boldly in front of Nick and faced the lion. "Don't worry, my friend," Jumbo said. "No one can harm you while I am here." The lion froze. He knew better than to fight an elephant. With fear in his eyes, he turned and disappeared into the forest. Nick, shaken but safe, looked at Jumbo with tears in his eyes. "Oh, Jumbo, please forgive me. I treated you so badly. You are, and always will be, my only true friend." Jumbo smiled warmly. "And you are mine, Nick." From that day onward, they remained inseparable companions. Moral: true friends are rare. Choose your friends wisely, because only real friends stand by you when danger arrives.